Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the external breather system. It's been about 4,000 kilometers that I've had it on here, so I actually wanted to check out what it actually looks like, and we'll clean it out. Let's have a look. So I have actually had a couple of oil spots on my garage floor, and actually looking at it today, it actually looks like I might not have actually tightened the clamp or the hose wire tie quite tight enough, because as you can see, there's a little bit of oil and guck. I guess that could be from the road, but I think that's actually coming from here, so I'll have to make sure I tighten that up properly. But anyways, let's get it off and see what it looks like. Just cut this off here. And yeah, as you can see, it actually came off a little bit. I wonder if a hose clamp would be better, but we'll try it out. There. So as you can see, it's actually quite oily, so there is a lot of oil coming through there, through the external breather. I mean, it's better it's not in the motor, but I also don't need it leaking out like this, because that's going to be going towards the wheel eventually. So I'm just going to clean this off here. There, a little cleaner now. Let's unscrew this and have a look inside. Huh. I have no idea what that is. Is that normal? So if anyone's wondering, I haven't started or driven the bike in 2 days, or I guess one day. It's been a day and a half to 2 days that I've started the bike. So we're gonna try to get as much stuff of this out as I possibly can. I don't know how. I don't know what that is. Like, I don't think oil turned white. Get some more paper towel. So the white residue is most likely condensation, water condensation getting in there, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It might just be bike's not getting up to temperature, which, I mean, I've been driving a lot in hot weather, so I don't see that being an issue, but maybe earlier when I was going out in the winter time. So actually cleaning these out is simply using dish detergent to actually clean it out. Next, we just disassemble this. Once you've dried them all, you just make sure they're all dry. They dry pretty quickly because they're foam basically. And now we reassemble. So you start with this one here, goes in there. Oops. And put it back in. Then let's go put it back on the bike. And always check your work. I forgot to put this piece back in. So this one here goes down at the bottom. There, now let's go put it back on the bike. So like I said earlier, it has been leaking a little out of the top, and I think what it is I didn't actually cut that straight. So that's probably why it doesn't hook on. So I'm going to fix that, then I'm going to put it back on. There, nice and easy little maintenance thing. You're supposed to do it every 8 to 10,000 miles. I did it in 4,000 K. Little maintenance thing to keep it going. If you do go too long, there are vents on the top that it will start seeping out of that. So it's not that big of a deal if it gets full, but yeah, you're better off just cleaning it up. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.